Hi everyone. Today's my topic is supplier evaluation system. Under that, first one introduction, second one meaning, third one five criteria for supplier evaluation in construction sector, and finally conclusion. In introduction stage, supplier evaluation are the terms used in business views. Read edit view history. Supplier evaluation is a process to access new or existing supplier based on their delivery and price. Next heading is five criteria for supplier evaluation in the construction sector. The word criteria means for making decision about something. In construction sector, there are five things we have to give and more importance. The first one is quality, cost, and delivery. In short form, QCD. And second one, long-term relationship. Third one, financial stability. Fourth one, total quality, performance, and philosophy. And fifth one is e-commerce capability. These are the major things, and we have to focus on these five criteria in construction industry. Under that, first one criteria is quality, cost, and delivery. It is an most important criteria in construction industry is material quality, delivery dependability, and cost. The construction industry is giving an more important to these three things like quality, cost, and delivery. The most important factor of supplier selection should be the quality level of the procurement items. Quality of the product, it can be directly affected to the quality of the finished product. Means the supplier has to produce a good quality of the product, then only the company provide a good finished product or goods. Not only the quality, reliability, supplier characteristics like delivery lead time shall be considered carefully. Means you consider on time delivery. Means supplier characteristics also main important thing here. So the time shall be considered here. Unit price should not be the only criteria in supplier evaluation. In supplier evaluation, when the supplier taking decision, it should be consider quality, cost, and delivery. Here, the price is includes the ownership of cost. The factor includes like material, payment terms, cash, discount, etc. Supplier must be value added their product by providing good services when the needed. Here the supplier is playing an important role here because he only produced or supply goods to the company. When the persons or industries needs a product, it should be a provided good services to the company, then only the company and suppliers between a built and good relationship among them. Supplier must be the respond on timely basis. Yeah, I already said supplier playing an important role here because he only main in charge in construction sector. On time, on proper cost and good quality of the product is produced to the company is main only respond. uh, the quality is contains grade, fitness for use, conformance or specification. The good quality of the product is contains these three things. Then cost, it contains the price effective and cost effective. Delivery, right time, right place, and right amount. These are the three qualities are main things we have to consider when the in the construction sectors or industries. Then second one is long term relationship. Some company will develop a long term relationship with the potential suppliers. Here the both the parties of means the most of the companies have contact with the players and maintaining a good and long term relationship. Both the parties here the both the parties share their mutual goals, develop their services, ongoing discussion on how issues and conflicts can be resolved in a beneficial manner over the times. It means when the both the parties here the less will be less mutual understanding. because both the parties have to maintaining a long term relationship, so misunderstanding will be very less in both the parties. This relationship may involve new product development efforts, means when the good relationship with the suppliers and company, they can giving and feedback and suggestion. So then the company has produced a new product, it will be help to the both the parties like suppliers and both companies. Next one is financial stability. Financial status of supplier should be carefully evaluated as it is directly affects its ability to serve the customers. Financial stability means here full of involving in related to the finance. In every industry or business sectors or every people or customers needed, and most important thing is finance. So that the construction sector also need a in finance. So in every business started with investment, so then only need finance. The financial stability is important and maintaining. Analysis of credit reports plays an important role in financial evaluation, means when getting a judgment in finance, that time the credit report will playing important role. The credit report contains information about supplier financial status. This contains the information on experience management, means here contains the information like financial status and information experience of the management, etc. The one person is playing an important role here, the purchasing officer. The purchasing officer can obtain the information regarding the suppliers financial stability and pricing policy, etc. The purchasing officer is main important. He only decides what we need, what not to need, and he know the suppliers information, financial stability, price policy, company information and all. Then next one is total quality performance and philosophy. Here the word philosophy means way of thinking, universe or word. It is also one main important criteria. Supplier quality capability can be evaluated by using the supplier certification program. Certification means formal attention or confirmation of certain organization. Certification is about setting of criteria regarding a quality levels demonstrated through use of statistical process control. If suppliers meet and all the criteria and he was demonstrated that it can be sustained these levels, means the supplier already said suppliers is playing an important role. When the supplier is fulfilling all the quality of the performance, and then only get an certification from the government or other things sustained, then it may be a granted strategic status and be placed on a construction organization bidder list. When he was fulfilling all the qualities and a good product producing, then only he was register his name in organization bidders list. The certification program are only as good as are their design. Characteristics determine well thought and realistic. Good certification means recognition or formal attention should be includes like regarding equipment capability, financial health of suppliers, the cost of accounting methods, quality assurance, etc. These things when he was fulfilled, then only it was a good certification. Then next one is e-commerce capability. We already know that the meaning of e-commerce. E-commerce means electronically buying and selling of goods with the internet. Means the exponential growth of internet use made the dream of e-commerce be more realistic. Nowadays and present scenario, the most of the companies and peoples are using and giving more importance to the electronic business. So in construction sector also giving a more important to the e-commerce. The expanding market of e-commerce is too huge to ignore all businesses. Comparatively, the construction industry is not performing on par with other business sector in e-commerce. The rapid development in the technology are improving and providing online services very quickly. It means an electronic when electronic business came into existence, that time the rapid development in the technology and providing and good services to the economy. These criteria strategic planning needed. Obviously, the e-commerce will not at all starting with strategical planning. It requires a multi-directional approaches. Means there are many approaches we have to consider here, and strategic plan we needed, and providing and good services to the people. So in industrial sector, e-commerce capability is also a main important criteria here. Then last topic is conclusion. In the supplier evaluation, the construction organization are not competent to identifying the capabilities of their suppliers and recognize a decision for the supplier selection based on their convenience. If convenience means the selection, the prime record contractor should share information with all strategic suppliers and request their input. Means we already know that the suppliers playing an important role in every company. Started the mainly give an important to the long term relationship, e-commerce or quality, time, cost. It is our main things here. Then thank you.